All right, let's talk about something that's really changing the game and how we deal with the web. We're moving way beyond simple automation here into something a whole lot smarter. We are talking about the future of filling out online forms.
Okay, let's just get right to it with a question I think we all know the answer to. Have you ever been stuck in that digital nightmare, just fighting with an online form? You know the one. It hates your phone number, the address fields are all weird, and your normal autofill just throws its hands up and quits. It is a universal, hair-pulling kind of frustration. And this slide, well, it lays it all out, plain and simple. Over on the left, you've got the old way, standard autofill. And let's be honest, it's rigid, it's limited, and it fails a lot because all it's doing is guessing. But on the right, that's the new way, intelligent filling. It's customizable, it's powerful, and it works because it's not guessing, it's built to obey. So we really have to shift how we think about this. We're moving way past a tool that just saves you a few keystrokes. This is about turning your browser into a kind of intelligent command center for all your data, putting you right in the director's chair. The key concept that makes all of this possible is total customization. And what does that actually mean? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's the ability for you to create very specific rules and give direct, plain English instructions to your form filler for pretty much any website or any field you can imagine. Okay, and this is where it gets really, really interesting. Let's dig into how you can actually use this newfound control to finally make the web work for you and not the other way around. So you've basically got two main ways to take the wheel here. First, you can set up rules that apply to entire websites. You could tell the tool to always use a specific AI engine for every single Amazon page. Or second, you can get super specific and use custom prompts for individual fields, tailoring the logic down to the tiniest detail. And here's a perfect, dead simple example of what a custom prompt can do. You can literally just tell it, always leave the discount code field blank. Or, hey, format the phone number exactly like this. See, you're not just hoping the tool gets it right. You are the one defining what right actually is. It's your logic, it's your rules. But how on earth is this level of control and, accuracy even possible? This is not just some simple script running in the background. So let's pull back the curtain and take a look at the pretty advanced tech that makes a system like this tick. Well, the secret sauce is a multi-layered system that's built on 5 separate AI engines. So instead of just one tool trying to do everything, think of it more like a team of specialists, all working together as a fail-safe system. If one engine gets stumped by a form, another one just automatically steps right in to take over. Now, what's really brilliant about this whole system is how it escalates. It starts off with a standard engine which just reads the website's code. That'll handle most forms just fine. But if that one fails, the visual AI engine kicks in, and it starts analyzing the page just like a human would. And from there, it can move to even more powerful options, like the screenshot engine for those really stubborn forms. It can even have specialized engines just for certain platforms. It's a true fallback system that just ensures it's going to work. And the tech just keeps getting better. Just when you think it can't get any more comprehensive, it does. Some of these systems will now let you fill out a web form using the data from a JPEG image or even a PDF file. I mean, think about that. You could take a picture of an invoice and boom, it instantly populates a shipping form online. That is a huge leap forward. And this is a really important point. This type of tool has grown so far beyond its original name. It's not just about filling forms anymore. It's really becoming a complete productivity suite designed to just slash the time you spend on all kinds of data entry. For example, take a feature you might see called one-click clipboard fill. You could copy a whole block of customer info straight from an email, click one single button, and the tool does what you see here. It instantly analyzes all that jumbled text and intelligently plugs it into the correct fields on the page. But here is a feature that you probably didn't see coming from a form filler. These tools don't just fill in data you already have. Some can actually generate brand new content for you right inside the field you're trying to fill. So what does that look like in the real world? Well, imagine you need to write a quick product description, or maybe a professional reply to a support ticket, or even a social media post, and you can do it without ever leaving the web page you're on. It's like having a little writing assistant built into every single text box on the internet. So let's bring all this home. The big shift here, the fundamental change, is moving from a passive action, just filling, to a really active one, commanding. And that's not just a small convenience, it's a completely different way of interacting with tasks on the web. So what's the big takeaway from all this? It's that through this deep level of customization, powered by an intelligent multi-engine system, the potential to save a huge amount of time and effort is just enormous. This whole approach gives you a tool that's not just accurate and secure, but also incredibly compatible with almost anything, finally letting you make the web work your way. And that really brings us to the final question for you. After seeing everything that's possible now, are you ready to stop just passively filling out forms and start actively commanding your data with real precision and intelligence?
Because at the end of the day, that is the bottom line. It's time to stop filling forms and start commanding them.